Suddenly I was on Google searching ways to survive a nuclear attack.
Look at that. And see, that's a bluebird house, and that's my camera up there. And that's supposed to be a purple martin house, but I never get no purple martins because there's too many objects up there. But that's kind of a pretty shot. Sun's coming up. Hydrangea. Then you got the hummingbird feeder, and I really want to see him, but I don't know that I can. He might come by yet. Hold on. They've been hitting the feeder pretty good this morning, those little guys. The sunflowers, they opened up. There's one more back there behind the whimsical fence that it's not peeking over the whimsical fence yet. But that's my whimsical fence. That's what I call it. That's my whimsical bench. That's what I call that. And the reason why whimsical is because it's kind of, you know, light. It's lightness, you know, and you want happiness. And whimsical means joy. Oh, there's a little guy over there at the feeder. See him? He won't come over here, though. They're really little shy. Oh, another one just made him run away. Say, no, you can't have that feeder out to yourself. Well, it's going to go up to like close to 90 today, but I'll tell you, it's in its 50s right now. This is like Colorado. Well, the tomatoes are kind of not doing so good. We picked a bunch, though. At least 2 buckets. Big buckets. But the plants don't look so good anymore. Oh, here he goes. He flew right by me. He's on the feeder again. Wow, hear the rock quarry? Now, I bet you if I sat on that side, he'd come over on this side. But anyway, I'm just putzing around. I'm learning my camera. And then I got another game camera in the Woodland Park. Come here, little one. Oh, he's on the zinnias. I don't know where he's at on the zinnias. Damn camera don't zoom in. It does, but I think you gotta do it before you set the mode. We found a hummingbird's nest one year. That was kind of cool. Yeah, pretty happy with the way things turned out with the pond. Finally done. Just got to build the fence. I'm going to do that this week, and I'll give you an update. Alrighty. It's kind of cool looking, ain't it? Hey, what was that? Probably a mosquito. This is a water lettuce I pulled out of the pond. I pulled 3 big buckets. That blue bucket and then these 2. And these 2 are packed from the bottom to the top with water lettuce. I just can't, I don't know what to do with it all. I asked the one neighbor, he used to take it every year for his fish tank. But he don't want him no more. He said, no. I said, good morning, Henry. He says, what's up with ya? That's how he says, good morning. What's up with ya? But he's a cool guy. He's a worker. Oh, grasshoppers flying by. I can't capture them. The rabbits were out in the yard over there. That's a vacant lot too. But oh, there's a hummingbird again. Come here, Pumpkinhead. No, he won't do it. Little snooker. This is why I need the zoom lens, right? Let's see.